Okay, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to cover the problems that you had to solve at the end of this chapter 8, section 2 worksheet, the 23 through 28, where you had to distribute and then solve. So these are all pretty involved. They take a good amount of work. So let's get started. The first one, you had to distribute the 3 to both the a and the 2. Now on the right-hand side, there's nothing to distribute. So you're going to have 3a plus 6, and then there's still a plus 5 there, equals 2a plus 4. Now from there, the 6 and the 5 need to combine first, so you have 3a plus 11 equals 2a plus 4. Now the left-hand side is simplified, the right-hand side is simplified. Now we can move our like terms together. So we're going to get a plus 11 equals 4. And then we're going to subtract 11, and we get a equals negative 7. The next one is going to require you to distribute the 2, but you're also going to have to distribute the 4 on the other side of the equals. So we're going to get 8x plus 4 minus 8 equals 4x plus 12. The left-hand side, the 4 and the 8 need to combine, so that turns into negative 4, and the right-hand side is already simplified. Now that the left and the right-hand side are each simplified separately, we can go ahead and subtract 4x from both sides, and we're going to get 4x minus 4 equals 12. We're going to add 4 to both sides. We get 4x equals 16, and then when we divide both sides by 4, we get x equals 4. So there's our answers to number 23 and number 24. Now moving on to number 25, there is a good bit of distribution property, or the distributive property that we need to use. The 5 needs to be distributed, and the 4 needs to be distributed. So if we are 5y plus 5 plus 2 equals 4y plus 8 minus 6. Now on the left-hand side, the 5 and the 2 need to combine. On the right-hand side, the 8 and the minus 6 needs to combine. So we have 5y plus 7 equals 4y plus 2. Now that the left and the right-hand side are both simplified on their own, we can move our like terms together, and we can get y plus 7 equals 2, and then subtract 7, and we get y equals negative 5. So there's our answer to number 25. 26 is going to be pretty much the same as the last couple. We are going to have to distribute on both sides. The 4 has to distribute, and then the 2 has to distribute. So we're going to have 4b plus 24 equals 2b plus 10, and then plus 2. So the left-hand side's good. The right-hand side, we have a 10 and a 2 that has to combine. So we have 4b plus 24 equals 2b plus 12. Now that the left and the right-hand side are simplified on their own, we can then move all the like terms to one side. So we're going to do that, and we have 2b plus 24 equals 12. Subtract 24 from both sides. 2b is negative 12, and then we're going to divide by 2 on both sides, and we get b equals negative 6. All right, the last two, same as the last few. 6 gets distributed on that side, and then the 3 gets distributed on this side. So we have 6m minus 12 plus 14 equals 3m plus 6 minus 10. On the left-hand side, the negative 12 and 14 have to combine. On the right-hand side, the 6 minus 10 have to combine. So those combine into 2 and negative 4 respectively. Now we can get our like terms together. We're going to subtract 3m from both sides. So we get 3m plus 2 equals negative 4. We're going to subtract 2. 3m equals negative 6, and then we're going to divide by 3, and we get m equals negative 2. All right, guys, last one. That is a negative 2. I apologize. That is not writing correctly for some reason. Divide this by 3, and this should be a negative 2. There we go. All right, last one. Distribute the 3, distribute the 2. So we have 3c plus 15 minus 2. So, and then on the right-hand side, we end up with 2c plus 12 plus 2. 15 and the minus 2 need to combine, so we have 3c plus 13, and that equals 2c plus 14, because the 12 and the 2 need to combine. Now we're going to move our like terms together. C plus 13 equals 14. We're going to subtract 13 from both sides, and we get C equals 1. And there's the final answer for that one. All right, guys, hopefully that made sense. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you soon.